Hello again, students. I hope everyone is excited and well energized for today's lesson. Alright, so let us discuss part 3 of paper 2 today, which refers to the extended writing section, and we will be discussing articles. How is an article different from an essay? Well, essays are normally written in a more serious way when it comes to discussing ideas, and the tone of voice is formal, and essays are usually subjective as they sometimes analyze and criticize a topic. Okay, so that's what essays are about. What about articles? Now, articles are written to entertain as well as to inform readers, and the tone of voice is less formal. And when you write articles, you can actually get the reader's attention by talking to them in a more direct way by using the words like we and also as. And your ideas can actually be put in the form of a question. Now, students, how do you attract and keep your readers' interest so that they will read your article to the end? Well, here's what you can do. First one, add a catchy, powerful title. Now, why do you think a catchy title is important? Right? The title of your article is the all-important first impression of your content for readers. Because a strong title communicates that your post has the information readers are looking for. Right, next one, use varieties of linking words, connectors, as well as descriptive languages such as phrasal verbs, adverbs, and also adjectives. Next, and then you can ask your readers questions, and you also have to make your readers feel included in your writing so that they will read your article to the end. So we will look at this one by one in the next slide. Now, how do you add a catchy title to your article? And which of these two titles do you think is more catchy? Is it A or is it B? Well, I would say B is more catchy and specific, whereas title A seems very general and common. Okay. Title B uses the emotional objectives to describe the reader's problems and to demonstrate what the reader will get out of the article. And so there are great possibilities for them to read the whole article in order to find out the promised solutions on losing weight. Okay, next one. Use varieties of linking words, connectors, as well as descriptive languages such as phrasal verbs, adverbs, and also adjectives in your article. Okay, if you look at this sample article here, all the underlined words or phrases are actually a mixture of these linking words, connectors, as well as the descriptive languages, and they help to make your essay extra interesting. Next, in order to get your readers' attention, what you can do is ask your readers questions. Okay, if you look at this sample article here, you have 3 questions posed by the writer to the readers. Okay, and you have some more examples here. Some more examples of questions that you can add in your article to make sure that you catch their attention. The next one, make your readers feel included in your writing or your article. Okay, so how do you make sure that your readers feel closely connected? By using the words you, your, we, our, and also the word us. Okay, now when you introduce the topic of your article, you have to make sure that the readers knows what they are going to read about. Okay, so you can get their attention by including an interesting fact or relating the topic of your article to their own lives or to the readers' own lives. Okay, and if you look at this sample article here, the highlighted phrases or the highlighted words consists these 5 words here. Okay, so if you want to make sure that your readers feel closely connected to you, that they feel included in your article, these are the words that you have to add in your writing. In other words, catch the attention of your readers by making them think about the topic of the article in their own lives. Okay, you are helping them to relate the topic of the article to their own lives. And you can do this by asking them questions and including them in what you write. And do not forget to write a title, okay, a catchy title for your article. Okay, so this will be your writing task for today. So let's look at the questions, class. You see this announcement in a teen magazine. So what is the announcement about? Write to us about the importance of a healthy lifestyle for teens. First question, why must teens practice a healthy lifestyle? Next one, what are some ways to live healthily? The 3 best articles will be published in our next issue. Write your article. Okay, how are you going to tackle this question? Okay, here's what you have to do before you start writing. Okay, first one, jot down or list out any ideas you have about the task just now. Any ideas that you think might relate to the task just now, just list them out. Okay, and then next one, when you have listed out your ideas, then you have to decide which ones are the best ideas. Okay, decide which ones are the best ideas, and then once you have decided the best one, then you organize them and make a plan for your article. So remember, these are the 3 steps that you have to take before you start writing. Okay, jot down ideas, decide which ideas are the best, and then you organize the ideas and make a plan for your article. And now here comes the writing part. Okay, remember, you are writing an article. So what do you have to do first? First and foremost, you must have a title, and make sure that your title is a catchy one. So once you have the title, then you can start writing your first paragraph. What do you do in first paragraph? You have to introduce the topic of your article. Okay, and then you have to get the reader's attention by relating the topic to their own lives. And how do you make sure that you have their attention? By asking the readers these questions. Okay, you can select or you can choose any of these questions here and add them in your article, and make sure that you answer the main question in the task by stating your opinion if relevant. Okay, your next step will be to write the main body of your article, and the main body of your article will be in these two paragraphs, paragraph 2 and also paragraph 3. Okay, so you have to expand on your ideas, describe your ideas, and also support your ideas with examples. And here are the examples of connectors, linking words that you can use when you are expanding, describing, and supporting your ideas. And you also have to make sure that each paragraph starts with a topic sentence, and always go back to the task question, okay, so that you know what topic sentence that you should include in the paragraph. Okay, now you have come to the final paragraph, which is paragraph 4. So this is your conclusion. You need to do conclusion here. Alright, so you have to end your article first. Use the examples of connectors here, and then in this conclusion, in this concluding paragraph, you have to summarize your opinion and give your feelings if relevant. Remember, summarize your mentioned opinions or summarize your mentioned views in your previous paragraphs. Okay, and give your feelings. That means you are to write or to add a comment. Okay, and that will make a good conclusion. And then when you have finished writing, you need to check whether you have followed your plan just now, whether you have given your article a title. Remember, a catchy title. And you also need to check whether you have got the reader's attention in paragraph 1, whether each paragraph starts with a topic sentence, and whether you have supported your ideas with examples. Well, that's about it, class. Alright, so remember, before submitting your work, check carefully for any mistake in spelling, grammar, and also punctuation. So I wish you all the best. Bye.